Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. I've got a 2014 Pete 389 factory built glider kit day cab, fresh out of detail, built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed. Does have a wet kit. It's got 780,000 total miles. Engine was redone less than 2 years ago. I've gotten it hot this morning. Gonna do a full walk around, show you blow by underneath the hood, and then finish up on the inside with oil pressure and the interior. Let's go ahead and get started. Super clean underneath the hood. Southern truck, so there's no rust. Excellent steers. Well, that looks good. Body and paint on this one's in good shape. You have, some small rock chips there on the top of the hood. You notice you got some scratching right there on the top. You don't see it from the ground really until you're up in the truck. Fenders are in good shape. Running straight. Section of the grills around. Nothing big. You gotta look for it, but right on the top part of that all the stacks there, just on the tips. Excellent virgin rubber all the way around, air track suspension. Excellent brakes. All aluminum wheels. On this driver's fuel tank, you can see a small crease right there. I guess that shows up in the video there. Interior is nice and clean. There's your controls for your wet kit. Got extra gauges. There's your miles. See it's up to operating temp. Great low side oil pressure for a Detroit. Super smooth through the RPMs. Guys, appreciate you watching this video. If you got questions on this truck or anything else that we've got, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.